He will never miss an opportunity to show respect and courtesy for those that show him respect. It is an honor for me to introduce to you my dear friend and our Assemblyman from the 45th District, Assemblyman Michael Novakov.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming here today. I know that many of you, maybe a few years ago, wasn't interested in politics at all, and I am one of these people. Can you imagine? And now I'm an assembly member. You know why? Because of the things that are going on in our country, in our state, and in our city. Because, you know, there's a moment that you just can't sit and watch this anymore. You just can't take it anymore. You want to get action. You want to change something. And I'm very proud to represent, not just to represent the 45th Assembly District, which I love. I'm very proud to be presented by a Republican and Conservative Party. And that's a great honor, because this is a party of common sense. This is a party of common sense. I just want to thank all of you. I'm running to Trump rally in Nassau Coliseum. I'm already late, but I'm going to make it there with my dear friend. I just want to deliver great news to the constituents of the 45th Assembly District and everyone who loves Sheepshead Bay. Because I love Sheepshead Bay. I think it's one of the most beautiful areas in our neighborhood. And I just got the great news. The renovation of the Sheepshead Bay walking bridge or footbridge will start on September 30th. On September 30th, we finally, I was fighting all these 2 years. I was fighting to get the money. So the money were all allocated earlier than I got to the office. But when we were calling the DOT, they were saying, well, yeah, we know it's $750,000, but we can't find the money. You know, this is unbelievable. I mean, $750,000, but we don't know where the money is. We remember it was allocated some time ago, but you know, we lost the track of money. That's usually how it works in the city, our city and the state, which is unfortunately ruled by one party. That's, you know, they're losing money, they can't find it. That's it. So I was fighting for 2 years for the renovation to start. Thank God the money is there, the funding is there, and they're starting renovating the bridge on the 30th of September. Just to deliver the message to you that the bridge will be closed for the renovation for 5 months, Monday through Friday. It's going to be open over the weekend. That's the, you know, I'm very excited to share the news because I just received an email a few hours ago. So, yeah,